Want to install an APK file on your Android phone, but not sure how? In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to install APK files step by step. Let's get started. First, you need to download the APK file onto your phone. Make sure you only download APK files from trusted websites, because some files can be harmful. Once the APK file is downloaded, open your File Manager or Files app. Now locate the APK file and tap on it. You may see a message saying, "Permission required." This happens because Android blocks installations from unknown sources by default. So tap on Settings from that pop-up. Now, turn on Allow from this source. After enabling it, go back and tap on the APK file again. You'll now see the Install button. Tap on it and wait a few seconds for the installation to complete. Once it's done, you can tap Open to launch the app. And that's it. You've successfully installed an APK file on your Android device. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.